Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're at the Monkey Forest on the Trentham Estate in Stoke-on-Trent, and we've just come through the entrance and we're near the visitor centre. Here you can see the cafe stroke restaurant and the jungle shop, the queue for the ice cream van, and going up on the left we've got the hidden trail there, and we're heading over to the conservation deck. Lots of people here today at the Monkey Forest, people coming and going, very busy. There's one hiding in the trees, sitting on the branch there.
Oh, he's there, yeah.
Lunchtime. Having their lunch. These are Barbary Macaqes, native to Gibraltar, but were reintroduced back into Morocco. Just had their lunch, being fed by their keepers.
They're playing tag.
Three of them in the tree there. I don't know if you can see, guys. The baby monkey's trying to climb the tree. The tree there. Squirrels are also after the gnats. Working his way down the tree.
Yeah. Hold on, these are taking for.
These babies are apparently 1 year old at the moment. Just having a quiet 5 minutes here.
Let's see.
Just gone feeding time. It's on the tree. All the people coming up the path to see the monkeys in the monkey forest here. We're heading down the valley in between the rhododendrons. So we've headed down the valley and now at the bottom, following this little stream. That's where we were when we came down and came round the loops. Quite a few trees come down.
You're Elsa, of course you are.
Lady's doing a talk on the foods that the monkeys like and don't like. We're still heading along the valley floor here. Just a quick view looking back up the valley the way that we came. All the monkeys seem to be on the upper section at the moment. The first lower section where we saw the monkeys originally having a chill time after eating, sitting on the pile of rocks.
You see, Kaka? Keep going on the tree.
Sat in the tree, on the grass.
To the path and stand still for any monkeys that cross. No eating. This includes chewing gum and sweets. There is no smoking. This includes e-cigarettes. Children, please make sure you stay close to your adults at all times. Please do not run or shout.
Whilst the other monkeys watch on, eager to meet the new arrival. Very wobbly steps. Don't watch below, as others sit nearby.
Thanks for watching, guys. Our tour here at Monkey Forest in Stoke-on-Trent. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now, guys.